How do I deal with winning and losing streaks in Forex trading?
Okay, let's talk about how do you handle losing streaks and winning streaks when you're trading, because they happen. You will have some periods where you hit, several losing trades in a row. You'll also have some periods where you have a lot of winning trades in a row. Here's what you want to do in order to handle those and make them keep your trading as profitable as possible. When you're on a losing streak, you've had a few losers in a row, don't panic. Don't depart from your chosen trading strategy that was working before. You just, a normal losing streak. Losing trades happen from time to time. What you might want to do is be a little more cautious, only take the most promising trading opportunities, and limit your losses, run your stop losses closer so you keep your losses smaller. And the thing you do is take a close look at your losing trades. Is there some similarity between them? That something that you can look at and say, oh, okay, that's a common factor between those. You may be able to eliminate it. With winning streaks, what you want to do, don't get overconfident. Don't start risking a lot more money than you were before. Just, accept that you're having some great wins, keep everything steady. And that's how to handle winning and losing streaks in trading.